Hi, this video covers information regarding your active listing. If you have a client who is concerned about having the days on the MLS accumulate on the listing, one option is to change the status to temporary withdrawn to stop the clock. You can change the status within Paragon. Log onto Paragon, click on Listings, click on Select an Action, Maintain Listings. On the right-hand side, click on the magnifying glass at the end of Status and choose Temporary Withdrawn. Click Save, then click Save on the upper left-hand corner. Paragon MLS sends an expiration alert 7 days before the listing expiration date. Before your listing expires, have a conversation with your seller if they wish to extend the listing agreement. If they do, have them sign the modification of terms within zip form. Once the form is signed, you can update the expiration date on your listings within Paragon MLS. Then click Save on the upper left-hand corner. If you have questions, please contact us at 925-730-7100 or email us at mlsservices@bayeast.org. Thank you for watching.